Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
a next Jamaican dish, chicken back and ackee, with some white yam, some potato and some dumpling. No banana today, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
Hurry, bring go check it out.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah.
We're back. Come on, you know I'm not gonna say it because I know y'all do already because I love it. What you got first, lady? What we talking about now?
I'm just drinking some water. You might explain already.
Water up on the rocks?
When it's rocks.
Ah, dang. First lady, you know, say give me enough food today.
So, this is ackee. Is our Jamaican national dish with sawfish, but you can eat ackee with anything. Okay, it's the limit. The sky is the limit. So this is something that is popular, ackee with chicken back. We've had it before on the channel, and we felt like eating it. Listen, we Jamaican. You might see us eat this again.
Oh, I'll today and tomorrow.
You know, so that's 2 peas me I think about.
So
We're gonna dig in, yes. Listen, I'm gonna see if this wooden fork. See?
Ready?
You should use a wooden fork.
Alright, try the wooden fork first. Let's see
What if it broke?
Open up, break it out.
I try come.
Nah, work man, kind of call me them like dumpling man strong.
Oh, you put caramel on the dumpling?
Yeah, man, you would.
No, it worked, my love.
It worked? Oh. Grace in the building now. Right now, Grace. You see that you in the building again. I forget about you. How does that
good.
taste? That tastes good? Make sure it tastes good, man. Gotta make sure I don't you flap me again.
Oh God, I'm never gonna hear the end of this.
Make sure now. Dumpling not too strong, man.
Oh,
perfect. And I can't make dumpling, family. First lady make good dumpling, but it's alright. I try.
Really? This looked fine to me.
Look at my dumpling.
It looked good to me. What about you guys?
Yeah, I can't make dumpling, but
That's
I try.
a good dumpling.
You think so? Thank you.
Good dumpling.
Try.
Good dumpling, man.
Yeah. I think first lady gave me too much food today.
Really? You're not that hungry?
Gave me too much. Oh yeah, did she give me a lot of food? Let's see.
How much flour you get?
I don't know, I'm gonna tell you some more than 4, but you probably give me more than 4.
I give you 4.
Usually if the family I eat, how much dumpling do I usually eat? Comment down. If you know. White yam, nice.
Stop following me, man.
So yeah. Chicken back. Chicken back.
Chicken back.
Yeah. Chicken back is the back of the chicken, the bony part. You know what I mean? A Jamaican family know. So that's what it is.
And that we love.
I love that.
You can use that in soup. You curry chicken back.
Yeah.
Now we have ackee and chicken back. You can brown stew chicken back.
Yep.
You can jerk chicken back.
Oh yeah. Jerk chicken back is nice.
Because the pepper get in it, you know. Because when I have jerk chicken, the bone me want. Which is meaning, when I have jerk chicken, I would like the bone.
Part.
The bone is my favorite part. I know it sounds weird, guys, but this is where all the flavor is. Nothing better than sitting there and chewing up on some bone, man.
My one is, I sneak over so. Are yours? Watch it up.
Watch me.
Okay. Hey, family.
Don't watch me, watch TV.
I watch TV, it's me, I watch them. Family. First lady loved this right here, especially the chicken back, because she could chew on it because you know it's well seasoned to perfection for her. Before I get no further, how you doing?
Oh, I'm glad you remembered.
Yeah, because I don't want to get too far and then we forget. Because when I'm start fighting with the dumpling, I start rap. So the fuck work.
The clock work, my.
Dumpling not too tough, they're nice man. Little bit of calm input night, no? So how your day is going, man? Let me get it out of the way quick. Oh, it's going fine now? Okay. Okay, yeah, I just got to upload. So it's going fine now, huh? First lady, you're gonna need a fork.
You think so, Mello?
Here, you cut up for first lady. Cause first lady always cut up my steaks. I'm not gonna food for you, cause I know you're not gonna eat the next one.
Yeah. You can even eat ackee by itself. Okay? And it just listen to me. Ackee is so versatile.
That's too big?
No, that's fine.
I'm cutting first lady stuff. I never cut first lady stuff, cause she always cut my food. You know, first lady. Nobody put first lady in the corner.
Nobody!
Nobody.
I like doing that look.
Look there. I like your outfit idea.
Thank you, my love. Alright.
So back to that now. Cause I know she ain't gonna eat the next one. She took 3 dumplings. I know she ain't gonna eat it. I'll just give her 2 for now. What? This is good. This is seasoned. This is nice. Yes.
Time for a bone.
Every time I say yeah, it does look like egg. It's not egg. So cut it out. I know you're saying, why they eating egg? It's not egg, family. It looks like it. Delicious. And first, I already told you out. You know what this called already? Food.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Jamaica, we call it dumpling, banana, yam, potato, food.
Yep. You gave me a lot of food today. Yeah, you did. Comment down and see if she gave me a lot of food.
You see how long it took me? You see how long I was chewing on that one bone? So much flavors in that bone.
They don't know.
They don't understand. So much.
Yeah. Don't worry. This is good.
My mother. Well, my mother, my sister, and I, we have a get together. All 3 of us be fighting over the bone. And then my cousin, who doesn't live too far from us, whenever she comes over, we all fight over the bone. The men, they just want the meat. They don't want no bone.
Like I tell me, I love my bone too.
Not as much as the meat though.
I love the bone. I love chili. Let me try the bone just now.
So if I
How much dumpling you give me? Cause you couldn't give me 4 dumplings and done already. No way.
I gave you 4 dumplings. You asked for 4 dumplings? Have a napkin, baby?
Don't tell me what napkin. Long time you look for me. Wait a moment. So wait.
Because
You gave me 4?
I gave you 4.
You gave me 4 and they done already?
I can't deal with you. I feel like
What?
there's something wrong with your belly.
Yep, sorry, wrong. My belly got no bottom. Remember, comment down and let me know how much dumpling I usually eat. I tricked you out today. Let me see what you're gonna tell me.
One thing about Bravo's chicken buck, there's some chicken buck in the family that when you get it, it is like not even a little bit of meat. Listen, at least give me a little bit of meat.
Yeah.
Because if you're eating something like this, you just need a little bit of meat.
True.
But I love the bone. But Bravo chicken buck,
Full of meat.
full of meat, my youth.
Yeah.
Full of meat.
Okay.
It's good.
I just take
Chew up the
one
bone.
with the seasoning in it.
Yep.
Damn. This make me wanna slap.
The person who made it, but you make it. You ever slap yourself in a...
Man, I'll slap you one.
Alright. Me? Or slap yourself?
Nah, I'll slap you. Damn, this is good. And yes, I use the coconut oil. That's what we do all the time. Yeah, because I know you're gonna say, what kind of? Did they use the coconut oil today?
Wait, honey. We have a video on how we make this?
Of course.
Of course we do.
So
Check
go
it
check it
out.
out. It's gonna be
Jinx.
up there or there or there.
Jinx?
Wherever first they decide to put it. So go check it out. We should do, right? Oh.
What a food we done make. What do you guys want to see us eat next?
Yeah.
Because
It don't have to be Jamaican. Whatever it is, first lady could make it.
yes.
Yes.
Wait,
What-
guys. That juice look good. Can I have some?
You could have some of the cool one. You want some of the cool one?
Yeah.
I know you want
Oh,
some. That's
it
what I
was
bring
in, it was
too.
in the freezer?
Yes, I brought 2 because I know you're gonna drink some. So you get the cold one. Family, I know she gonna want something else. She always says she want it. And then when I bring my 2 juice, them she want. And don't take it now, I give you some. So that when they're cold. Nice, right? Mm-hmm. Nice, right?
That's good. What movie is that from?
What?
Where they drink the juice and they're like, that's good. I gotta figure it out. But I know, I can feel it in my mind.
Feel it in your mind? So first lady, you was asking them what they wanted to calm me down, what they want. Yeah.
My bad.
Finish what you're saying.
Because like Richie said, it doesn't have to be Jamaican food. What do you guys want to see us eat next? Because all in all, right now, you know what I'm thinking about right now? Some stew peas. Some stew peas me I think about.
That matter, we don't know with my style, no pork in it.
Like that me I think about man, with the white rice and pepper. Yeah.
But no. Yeah, go ahead.
I keep on cutting you off.
No, go on.
But Vincent came again with his demands and said, yeah, I'm gonna need my red pasta. So I might have to make that sometime next week. So you guys will see red pasta sometime next week because if I don't, it's gonna be a problem in the household.
But yeah, let us know, man. Really let us know. You see, it already made my side already. Let us know for real, cause we'll make it. You know what I'm saying? First, let you know. Man, first you throw down.
Man,
What?
I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the pepper shrimp. Those pepper shrimps was so good. No exaggerating.
It was delicious.
We're not exaggerating. Those pepper shrimps were freaking delicious.
It was.
I put my foot in pepper shrimp.
You sure did. Put everything on your whole body.
And then what you can do is if you have some left over,
Yeah.
put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge.
Yep.
Now it can't stay too long in the fridge now. Maybe like about 3 days because of seafood. And I'm telling you, it was so good.
Comment down below. Damn, what you talking about? If you like chewing your bones. Cause I don't know. You probably weird.
You know why I'm jumping? Because I don't know how you did it, but you fry the meat on the chicken back is like crispy, right? But then the inside of the chicken back is juicy. So I don't know how you do it, but
Yeah, we know this. And for a lady, some of the comments are saying for the shrimp that some of them don't like it with head on, and then they eat it with they don't like it with the scale.
oh
So, but me, I love it.
yeah.
It's going the same place.
But you can make it without the head. I even said to Richie, I think I'm gonna make it next time without the head, just to give you guys, to show you guys that it can be made without the head.
Yeah, not they don't like they don't eat the head part. Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry, my bad. They don't eat the head
So
part.
they don't suck the juice out of the head part either?
So not just the skin part and the head part.
That's the best part. All the juice is in there.
Wow. Yeah. So what's good with y'all? Let us know. Yeah, I eating too. I know that.
Wait,
What?
do you think that the family,
Yeah.
when they know we're gonna drop a video, go and get their food and eat while they're watching us?
You know, that's a good question. You think they're eating while they're watching?
I would.
When? Yes, y'all. Yes, all of y'all right there that's looking. Yes, you. When you know the video's coming, do y'all be eating? I just sit down and just watch the video. Calm down. Cause first thing I want to know too. I'm nosy.
Worse.
So I know what y'all doing. If y'all grab a snack, y'all eating y'all cooked food what y'all made, or you just watching the video. I'm loving it.
I'm so glad I requested this.
Yeah, you got your dish.
You can't touch it now.
Yeah.
Me neither.
See? This is the next dumpling right here, first lady, see? And she's still like, watch out.
Leave me alone. no, honey. Chill.
Family.
Honey.
Family. I ate 4 dumpling already.
Why you gonna put me in a spot? They don't even be noticing.
4 dumpling, two Irish potato, and a piece of yam. Right? I'm on my 5th dumpling now. And first lady still on 1 dumpling, 1.5. Oh God, first lady, you were one of the slowest kneading mukbang ever eat, I see.
This is so funny because you don't realize how you eat until you watch yourself.
Hey, you slow man. Take your time. I take my time too. I just deal with my stuff different, isn't it?
Even when you're taking your time, it's not taking your time. It's moving fast.
Nah, move fast, man. Food nice, man.
It's good.
So, the ackee, nice and buttery. Like it like that.
I like it like that. I like
You want
it like
them
that.
chicken back again? Want them chicken back in them? This one got meat.
I like it
And they got the bone
that.
one. You hear me? Since you gave me a dumpling.
I know where that came from. The
What?
part where she drink the juice and she's
What?
like, refreshing.
Wait, hold on.
Over.
Good stuff.
Refreshing.
Wait, hold on.
Overboard.
Right, a movie?
Overboard. One of my favorite movies. Overboard. I don't care how many times it's on TV, I'm gonna watch it.
Overboard?
Overboard. I love when
You got,
at the end.
you got shooting in there?
No.
Oh.
I love at the end when he says, oh, and the reason why I also love that movie, it's a good, great movie, but because that's how they met and they're still together to this day. And that movie was filmed like in 1980 something. And I love at the end because she's rich,
Yeah.
right? And he's poor, but they end up, he ended up tricking her because he was supposed to do a job on her yacht. And
Hey, now eat this.
I want the bone yacht on her yacht, and she didn't like how he did it, so she threw him overboard.
Oh, that's what it's called overboard?
Yeah, and then she ended up falling overboard, and then she had like a mini amnesia. So he decided, I'm gonna go get her, and I'm gonna let her work off what she didn't pay me. But they end up falling in love, and then her husband came back and found her, even though her husband really didn't want to find her. He had no choice because the mother was like, where's my daughter? So long story short, the guy came back and rescued her, and at the end, when he rescued her, he said to her, what do you get somebody who has everything? And the guy had 4 sons, and she looked at him and she was like, a little girl?
that you don't already have.
A little girl.
Cause you had a baby?
I don't know, there's no part 2.
Comment down if you have seen that movie. I don't know what first are you talking about.
Everybody has seen that movie.
Comment down if you watch that movie. What's it called? Overboard?
It's called Overboard.
Alright, let's see who watch it.
Every single person gonna say that they watched it.
Alright, let's see. Let's see. Ta-da! Their masterpiece. Pastor Rich in the building. My session now. Wow. That was good. Alright. Go on to your bowl first, Eddie. Ready? Alright, I know y'all listening, okay? Success is like a train. It has several compartments. Hard work, focus, luck, etc. Alright. But leading all those is the engine of confidence. You heard me? No, y'all didn't hear. Because you're probably busy eating your food and first they eating her food.
Yeah,
so you know
listen.
what? I'm going to tell you again if you didn't hear. Success is like a train. It has several compartments. Hard work, focus, luck, and etc. So it keeps going. But leading all those is the engine of confidence. Remember I tell you first lady is my engine? Without first lady, We can't go. I told you that already. So if you was listening, you heard that. Alright. Don't forget to like, share. We did with you. Comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam. I'm not going to say it because you should know already who we are.
Where your bones, them, my love?
It's my bonus, my dear one. Bone competition tomorrow. Ready for my youth?
Bone competition.
Yo,
There.
look at this. We're finito. Birthday, do your thing.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Bye.